I've been busy today buying some more of the golden gravel. If you remember, on this site there used to be a wooden summer house. Well, now that's gone and it is going to be soon replaced with a glass greenhouse. The trouble is, when the wooden structure was there, I only gravelled part of the pathway, as you couldn't see behind the summer house anyway. But now the greenhouse is going there, you're going to be able to see the pathway. So I decided that I had to extend the gravel so that it looks a little bit tidier. I went out today and bought 3 bags of golden gravel for £15 and decided to get the job done. It didn't take long, only 10 minutes, and it soon looked much better. I give it all a good rake in to try and get it as level as possible. Quick tidy up of the bags, and that's another job well done. It looks much nicer now, as you can see, and hopefully the rainwater will wash away all the dust from the gravel and it'll blend in quite nicely here. It looks a lot more finished now. I bought a lovely new plant today, which is this Photinia Louise. I've got a few of these in a different variety, but I haven't got one which is as lovely colour as this one. It's a lovely red-pink leaf, and it's really bright and vibrant. I just had to have it. I was looking for something to go in this spot here, where there are a few gaps. I've got a plant there already, but it's more of a ground cover plant. And I can easily move this to somewhere else in the garden. But there's 2 spaces here at the front next to the pathway, and I wanted something with a little bit more height and something to give some colour to the garden. I also picked up this lovely Hebe. It was only £8.50. And that's another green and pink shaded plant. It's really nice. And I popped it here on the corner, and hopefully it'll grow to a decent size. This is called a Hebe Wild Romance. At the back of my border, I also found this Acer, which I thought, well, it's only small, so I'd bring it out into somewhere that's a little bit more open, and hopefully it'll grow lovely here. So I don't know what type it is, but I know it's a red kind of Acer. This year on the corner is a Photinia pink marble. A beautiful colour on this plant. And now when I walk down the pathway, it looks a lot fuller and a little bit brighter too, with this lovely Photinia Louise with its bright pink and green leaves. Isn't it a stunner? This morning, I also changed around some of this border here. It was a bit bare at the back and I wanted to add a little bit of colour. I added in 2 of these Pittosporum Tom Thumbs with their bright dark red foliage and a Unanimous, which is a limey green colour. I think the 2 shades together look very striking. And hopefully they'll grow larger and fill in the space. They look really nice in the summer with the sunshine on these. It was beautiful weather this morning. The sun was shining and it really was quite warm. It was a pleasure to be out in the garden. But the weather is so changeable at this time of year, and by this afternoon it had started to shower again. But hopefully the weather now will take a turn for the better. The plants are definitely growing in the garden and everything is starting to fill out. Thank you so much for joining me today in the garden. Why not like and subscribe to my channel and see more videos throughout the year of my garden growing. Until next time, bye!